morning. Tamam. Sina mimi mgeni hapo hii. Ya msika aganje wali. Sinzo kwenye mimi.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ekiriwo saawa zino tulinze igigi omupya aveeyo eyo mu komiti gye bamuveetingira.
Okay, thank you very much. The vetting went well. We answered all we had to, so let's wait for the appointing authority to see what happens. Yeah.
And the task ahead?
The task ahead is huge. It is huge, but we are ready. You can see the team. It's a very big team, so we are ready for the task ahead. Strategies, we have a lot in stock, especially to do with prosecution. Yes.
In regards to corruption, Uganda stands at a point whereby the people are being prosecuted. How are you going with that?
That's why I've said one of our strategies is to do more and more prosecution. Yeah. Thank you.
Uganda, they don't follow
Uganda, okay. Bitambudde bulungi, komiti tugirabye batubuuziza bye twali tulina okuddamu, so katulinda appointing authority kyenaasalawo.
Omulimu gw'olina mu maaso awo gweteekeddwa otya?
Omulimu gwo munene ddala, naye nga ttiimu emugiraba nene eri ready.
Maybe the final and the message to public servants and government officials who maybe may think it may be the same business as usual.
No, it is not going to be business as usual. Like I said, business tegenda kusigala nga weeri. So beetegeke. Team eri ready okuteekawo enkyukakyuka.
Can we have that in English only, that one?
Una